Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services ngayong November. So, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay. Let's begin. Ayan. Romance. Maaring may focus pagdating sa relationship, romantic connections for you in the next 2 weeks. So, if you are manifesting a romantic connection in the next 2 weeks, maaring merong madidevelop or merong change, may update, may improvement in the next 2 weeks. Okay? So, if you're in a relationship naman, maaring meron kang matatanggap na flowers or any gifts of appreciation from your partner in the next 2 weeks. Uy! Fertility, tapos may romance. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring there's a baby coming in, no? Merong pregnancy. Ayan. So, if you are not yet ready, so, syempre, alam nyo na, be careful, extra careful. Pero kung ready ka na, so, go. And claim this new baby. Yung iba naman sa inyo, itong fertility is about pagiging productive. Yung tipong marami kang magagawa in the next 2 weeks, marami kang ma-accomplish, mga task, mga goals mo. Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going to study, learn something new, pwedeng literal na mag-enroll ka sa isang course, online course, pwede ring self-study ito, doing your own research na kung saan you are enhancing your knowledge. Mas mas ini-improve mo, no? Yung iyong kaalaman, yung skills mo. So, you have the Magician. Ayan, speaking of studying, learning, you are tapping into your power, you are tapping into your skills, abilities, talents. You also have the tools that you need, no? Kung anong needs mo, pangangailangan mo para magawa or masimulan, maisakatuparan yung mga goals mo. Ayan na, meron ka nun. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the 6 of Pentacles. I also see financial help para sa inyo. Halimbawa, nangangailangan kayo ng pondo or let's say, finances para funds para ma-support nyo yung inyong pag-aaral or yung projects ninyo, yung mga gusto nyong mabili, or if you have a business, magiging maganda yung takbo ng business mo. Kumbaga, flowing yung pera doon. May mga customers, clients, ganyan. So, it's going to bring you a lot of income in the next 2 weeks. Some of you will also help someone. Meron kayong tutulungan financially. Or pwedeng resources mo yung itutulong mo sa kanya. Okay? You also have the Emperor. So, this is the energy of someone na meron siyang full control sa buhay niya. Meron ding leadership role sa inyo in the next 2 weeks. Pwedeng may promotion sa trabaho na kung saan kayo ay magmamanage ng maraming tao. Yung iba sa inyo, you have business plans na talagang isasakatuparan mo siya, na kahit na mahirap, kahit na challenging, still you want to make things happen. Okay? You also have, grabe, dalawang Emperor to. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo meron kayong katuwang sa buhay. Kasi this is feminine energy ng Emperor and then the masculine energy. Someone na marami ng karanasan sa buhay, sa maraming bagay. So, if you want to start your own business, there is someone na very supportive sa'yo, will bring you closer to your goals. kumbaga ano siya, may isi-share siya na kaalaman sa'yo, or kumbaga kayo yung magtutulungan para ma-achieve nyo yung inyong financial goals. So, kung sino man tong person na makikilala mo, maaring this is someone na magaling mag-handle ng finances or established na sa buhay na pwede mong maging mentor. Let's see what else. Jack and Diane. Uy, meron ditong heartbreak. This can be a connection na romantic friendship na magkakaroon ng maaring tawag dyan? Misunderstanding. Pwedeng kaibigan mo or partner mo. You also have optical illusion. So, meron ditong unclear. Something na hindi maayos or malinaw sa isang relationship, sa isang connection. So, there's a possibility na hindi lang kayo nagkaintindihan, no? Kailangan dito is maging understanding kayo sa isa't isa. Yun, parang makikinig ka sa sinasabi niya. Kasi, minsan, ganun sa mga arguments, hindi natin pinakikinggan yung side ng isa. And, parang nagpapataasan na kung sino yung mas magaling, sino yung tama. But, mas importante na we listen to each other kasi maaring meron tayong na-miss out or na-misinterpret kaya nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan. You have creative force. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong tapping into your creativity, your talents, your skill set. Maaring meron kang bright ideas, no? Na in the next 2 weeks, you are going to work on it. Pagpaplanuhan mo siya. Kumbaga, you want to take one step at a time. Hindi mo mamadaliin because alam mo na ito ay isang proyekto na kailangan na very careful ka, maingat ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Okay? Let's see what else for Cancer. Okay. Invitation. These words, the words you speak are an invitation to life, a request to bring energy into form. So, choose your words carefully. Yes. Maging maingat sa mga bibitawan mong salita or mga sasabihin mo sa sarili mo kasi words are powerful. It can manifest in your life. Kaya, if ikaw yung someone na mahilig sa mga affirmations, so positive affirmations ang maganda for you. Okay? And then, you will also be focusing on taking care of yourself, taking care of your body. Your body deserves your love. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Good luck.